Hello kids, welcome to my channel Draw with Sumi. Today we are going to see how to draw Valentine Day drawing. Before we draw, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Come, let's start. First step is to draw clouds just by using up curve and alphabet C curve, join C curve and reverse C curve by a slipping line. Draw another cloud on other end just by using the same steps. Up curve from one cloud to another cloud for the rainbow. Draw a second up curve just parallel to the first curve from one cloud to another cloud. Draw another 5 up curves just parallel to each other for 7 colors. Now draw a circle for the boy head, triangle for the body, 2 slanted line and upside down V for the trouser, 2 rectangle on both the sides of the body for the hand, 2 standing line and oval shape for the legs and feet, 1 L-shaped hand and 1 slipping line for the hand. Split the circle by using curve and an oval on the side for the cap. Draw eyes, nose and mouth. Draw string for the balloon thread. Draw alphabet small m and V for the heart-shaped balloon. Now draw a circle for the girl head. 2 slanted line towards out and join that with up curves. 2 standing lines and 2 ovals for the legs. Two rectangles on both the sides of the body for the hand. 2 oval on both the sides of the head for the hair. Draw eyes, nose and mouth and hand. Draw heart-shaped balloon just by using alphabet M and V curve. Now repeat the same steps for another boy and a girl just by holding heart-shaped balloon on their hands. Now we are going to draw bees on both the sides just by using circle and an oval. For bee wings, I am going to draw heart shape. Now draw second bee on another side just by using same steps. Circle, oval and heart shape. Let's start coloring. Red color. Orange. Yellow. Blue. Purple. Light blue. Red. Yellow. Red. Yellow. Red. Peach or skin color. Red. Black. Pink. Purple. Orange. Gray. Blue. Brown. Yellow. Pink. Happy Valentine's Day. Spread your love to everyone. Be happy and live happily. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Stay healthy and stay safe. See you.